Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine and how I keep my hair nice and defined. As a girl that usually struggles with defining my curls because they're so unique, yeah, I had to do special techniques to get that definition. So today we're going to go into that as well as some growth tips, and this is just going to be the perfect curly hair routine. So it has been such a long time since I've sat down and did a curly hair routine, so I thought that today would be the perfect day to do that. My hair was soaking wet, but with all the lights and everything, my hair has definitely dried up a little bit. But we're going to be doing my curly hair routine on my new length. If you guys did not know, I got my hair cut, I would say like 2 weeks or so ago. If you haven't been tuning in my channel, you probably don't know, but my daughter cut my hair. If you want to see that, you can go to my YouTube shorts, and she did a pretty big chop on my hair. She took off 3 inches of my hair. So my hair is now at a new length, and I'm trying to grow it back. I want to do it pretty quickly, but I'm not trying to be like hyper fixated on it at the same time. So I'm going to give you guys some of the tips that I have been doing lately with my hair, and I'm going to also be trying out some new products today and just talking you guys through my curly hair routine. So let's go ahead and get right into it. But if you're clicking on this video and you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, make sure that you comment down below, because hey girl, hey, like it's been forever since I did a curly hair routine. Also, if you do any of these tips that I'm going to be saying in this video, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so for starters, like I let you guys know, my hair is pretty dry. You definitely always want to start off on wet hair, especially if you have low porosity hair like me. Hair's gonna look better on the final result. So don't do your hair on semi-dry hair, because it's gonna look a mess when you get to the final stage. I have this right here, which is the As I Am rosemary water with rosemary oil, biotin, and melatonin. So this is my first time trying this line from As I Am. I have not used As I Am products in a very long time. I haven't used a lot of products that I used to use in a very long time because I have only been using Nourrish by Shantae products. I've tried their original water spray that they have, and it works really good. So this rosemary one, ooh, this rosemary is in here really good. Goodness gracious, it smells just like rosemary. I'm gonna try to do my hair without a part, which I haven't done that in a long time either, but I'm just tired of wearing parts in my hair, so I'm just gonna try to do it without a part. It probably will end up trying to part anyways because my hair just naturally lays in that way. That was just the base. I always start with a liquid because, like I said, my hair needs a lot of moisture. Split my hair into 4 sections because it's just easier for me to do my hair in sections rather than trying to do it all at once. I just don't think that that works really well for my hair. Starting with this section here, first of all, when I tell you that rosemary water that I just sprayed from As I Am, yeah, that has good detangling properties because my hair was a little bit tangled, and now since spraying that, it seems like the tangles have broken down a little. Section this into 2. Oh yeah, that's a good detangler. And then the next product that I always use on my curly hair when I'm doing like a wash and go is I do a leave-in conditioner, and I'm using this As I Am coconut leave-in conditioner from the brand As I Am. And then this is all new products. I'm gonna have to open these up. It's been a while. Okay, these still smell the same. See, I love a brand that's super consistent like that. Like they're not changing, like they may change some oils here and there, but they're not changing their formulas. And I knew I could count on As I Am to be kind of like consistent like that. And then I take this Tangle Teaser brush and I brush it out. Now, if your curls are like really hard to form, you can do the shingling method where you just do a very small section and then you rake your hands through it. I actually have a shingling tutorial on my channel. I don't really shingle my hair anymore. It takes forever. For the most part, I just rake my product through my curls and then lightly shingle my hair. I don't do the whole process, but if you guys want to see how to do the entire process, I'll have my old video down below where I go into details on that. But basically, this is my curls, and as you guys can see, it's really gonna show when it dries, but my curls are a lot shorter than what they used to be because they used to be a little bit longer when I get out of the shower. But I do like to kind of elongate them by pulling them down just so they can have a little bit more length. But at the end of the day, your hair shrinking is not really a bad thing. It means that your hair has elasticity. But I just pull it down as much as I can so that at least it'll have a little bit of length. Also, let's not do too much with the raking because it'll make my hair look stringy if I go too deep into that. Next product that I'm going to be using is the Miss Jessie Soft Curls. Now, this is my first time using this, but I could not find the As I Am gel in the store when I went in there. That was what I was looking for. Okay, that smells so good. Now, this product is like an OG product, but I just never picked it up and tried it. So I decided to try it today. We'll see how I like this, but honestly, if I'm gonna be very, very honest with you guys, I only use my gel when it comes to the Nourish by Shantae gel. That's the only one that I like to use in my hair because it seems like it's the only one that I like can trust to not leave flakes in my hair. A lot of gels leave flakes in your hair, and my Nourish by Shantae gel does not. And then the As I Am gel, the jelly that they have in their original line, does not leave any flakes. That is the first section, and then I just take the next little section within this section, so like a subsection, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. But before I go in with any products, I just want to make sure my hair is again really wet. I almost feel like I should have got the regular water from their regular line, like the regular spray water, instead of the rosemary, because the rosemary in this product is like really, really thick. To be honest, I think that some brands kind of go overboard when they're doing the rosemary because yes, rosemary grows your hair, but you don't want to overdo rosemary in your hair. Like, you don't want to overdo any essential oil in your hair. So I don't know, I just feel like I probably should have got the other coconut brand where it didn't have rosemary in it, but we'll see how this goes. And this is still like one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It's so like, it goes onto your hair so smooth, very good detangling properties. I just love it so much. I can't believe that gel smells that good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the gel again. So if you guys cannot tell by like right now already, if you couldn't tell, I'm doing the lock method where I do a leave-in cream, which is my leave-in. I do my water, my leave-in is as my cream, and then I put on an oil, but before I put on my oil, I put on a gel, because the oil is gonna seal with everything, so that's gonna come last. So these are what my curls are looking like. I'll show you guys what my curls are looking like up close in just a minute. I just wanna get this back part done. I don't like gels that are too tough on my hair or that make my hair too hard. I don't like those like thick gels, but so this should be perfect for my hair. Okay, so I did the other side of my hair the exact same way that I just showed you for this side. So now I'm gonna move up to the top of my hair. I'm gonna try to do this on camera without a mirror. I don't know if I've already said it in this video, but when I was in the shower, I did rinse my hair with semi-cold water. I used to do that a long time ago, and then I stopped doing it. And my daughter stopped doing it as well, and we were trying to figure out like why our hair didn't feel as nourished and as moisturized as it did like before. And then I realized, I was like, okay, I know exactly what it is. I stopped doing the cold water step in the shower where it seals in your moisture, and once I added that back into my routine, I noticed that my hair doesn't feel as dry when I'm doing like my wash and goes and stuff. So if you have strayed away from like those type of techniques, go back to them because those are like moisture tips that will help your hair to not only thrive moisturized, but also moisture always helps grow your hair a lot. I don't know, I just quit doing it for some reason. And then when I added it back into my routine, I was like, yep, that was what I stopped doing that I shouldn't have stopped. I don't wear wash and goes as much as I used to. I am going to try to get back to it, but not in the way that I used to, because I used to wear wash and goes a little bit too much. I think that for me, I feel like that it's not realistic to do wash and goes as much as I used to for my hair, because I mean, I just don't, I guess, like it as much anymore to do wash and goes like all the time. But I do want to get back into doing wash and goes a little bit more consistently. But I have noticed a lot of growth from just, you know, kind of doing my twist styles during the week, and then doing my wash and goes as well, but just not doing them all the time like I used to, and focusing more on twist styles. It's not that I'm like protective style crazy where I don't wear my curls out at all. You guys already know that's not what's happening, because you guys see me wear my hair out in videos. That just helps my hair grow a lot quicker as well, because I'm not constantly like putting product and stuff and just constantly having my hands in my hair. I do need to go back to washing my hair every week though. I feel like I got away from that too. I don't see any heat damage as of now. I'm gonna check off camera and then come back and let you guys know if I see anything. As of now, no heat damage, which is really good. Okay, so this is the last section that I'm gonna be doing. So far, Miss Jessie's gel, like, I don't know. I'm kind of like, why haven't I tried this earlier? It smells so good, and it really does not appear to be making my hair crunchy, or I don't think I'm going to have any flakes or anything after I'm done using this, but we will see once it dries. Now I'm at the front of my hair. I've already did like the same process that you guys see me do on the other sections of my hair. All I'm going to do now is take some more of that soft curl, or the jelly soft curls by Miss Jessie. Okay, so one last thing that I'm going to do that I added to my routine, like I would say last year. I don't do this a lot. I only do it when I'm in a rush and I don't feel like waiting on my hair to air dry. And I'm going to put a little bit of blow dried heat on my hair. This is the Air Hype blow dryer, so it's really just blowing out hot air. It doesn't do any damage or anything to your curls. It's specifically made to not do that. So I'm gonna just hover around my hair to just speed up the dry time. Okay, so this is actually day 2 of my curls, and I decided to wait till day 2 because day 1 my curls looked good, but they were still wet, and I honestly just don't think that it gave the full effect of how my hair looks. So this is a full effect of how my hair looks, and you guys can see here that my curls are really defined. That gel, perfect. I don't have any crunchiness. I don't have any flakes or anything. So it's perfect gel if you like more of a jelly. So yeah, love my hair. And this is definitely the most defined that I've had my curls look on the second day. I'm really loving the definition. You guys can let me know what you think down in the comment section, but my curls really did pop out with that technique. All of those products, girl, get them. So I am done diffusing my hair, and just to let you guys know, this is the perfect product combo. Like the Miss Jessie curls, the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say the rosemary water. You can get the coconut water. They both work really good from the As I Am line, but these products are the perfect product combo. If you like soft gels, you're gonna love that gel. But this is the result. My hair is about 90% dry. I'm gonna let it air dry the rest of the way. I didn't even do much to my edges because I didn't feel like that it needed it, but I'll probably do some work on my edges tomorrow. And then I did add on my growth oil. As you guys can see, I put that on to seal in all the moisture so that my entire routine doesn't go to waste. Also, you guys know I love my growth oil. It's going to help with my hair moisture sealing it in, and also helping my hair to retain some length. So that is my updated curly hair routine. So let me know if you're going to use these products and if you're going to try this routine. You take these tips if you're trying to grow your hair. If you just had a haircut like me, I'm going to be posting more content when it comes to like growing my hair and just like my hair in general and how I'm just taking care of it and getting it back to, well, my daughter says that I was at butt length. She hates when I say I'm at waist length. So let's just say I'm going to get my hair back to butt length, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for clicking on another video. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram at contactshawntasway. I would love to have some of you over there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, make sure that you you go to my channel and look at my playlist for some of the videos. So I do have a lot of health routines on my channel as well. Just wanted to make sure that I include that in this video because you want to make sure that you're taking care of the inner you, hydrating on the inside so that your hair can also thrive as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, I'm leaving for real now. Bye.